I'm going to link on bro God them.
What bro God?
Stop trying to shoot on what against no man.
What is wrong with you? Our thing right now.
I ain't looking at man. Shit. Tell me I have some friend, what me call bro God, and if not nerd then me have so mad, cause them really gonna
Your
pay them
son's
two
looking
likes.
at you.
So I see when me I grow you.
That is not the same way.
Oh yeah, babes, why wrong with me look? Huh?
You can see.
Me not, no, so what you want me to do? Wear my clothes up, so?
It's Islandboy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world.
Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome to the Island Family channel, guys. Alright, so guys, right now my fiancée there in the kitchen. You see me and she play some music and thing. And right now, guys, I plan to get her reaction and doing a pan sagging. You see me? Just hear what she done say, you see me, or what she done do, you see me, cause she know I'm not that type of person to have my pants dropped like way below, you see me, and them thing there. So yeah guys, let me see what she done say or how she done feel, you see me. So yeah man, journey along guys, let's get this video started. I'm gonna try to set up the camera and thing, you see me, so let's go now.
Yes I die, you know why, for real star, for true. Me die for the youths them. Me die for the youths them. Long time, me nah left them out. I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things. Not money. We say youths for your things. Ocean land, car and van.
Yes. Turn off the music and talk. What do you mean? Yeah, did you still want something at the shop?
Why are you wearing that?
What? What?
Why are you wearing your pants low like that?
What do you mean, babe? No, I'm going to the shop. I'm gonna get a few stuff.
Why are you going like that for?
What's wrong with this?
I wish Adam was old and he'd see you, be like, what the hell is my father doing?
Where did you say you want at the shop, babe?
Hmm?
Where did you say you want at the shop?
Pumpkin? So I can make island pumpkin soup?
Mm.
Why are you wearing that, babe? You look stupid.
What do you mean?
You're a dad. You're not supposed to be wearing
We have to have one, babes.
You're not supposed to be wearing that.
That's what mama do every day, babes.
What do you mean every day? No, you don't.
What do you mean?
You
Where
don't
are we
every
going?
day. What the hell? You can see.
What? No, it's called swagging, babe.
That's not swagging. That's. I don't even know what you call that thing.
Come on, babe. You see my wallet?
Your dad. Huh?
See my wallet?
No. Why would I have your wallet?
No, I'm supposed to see it.
No. Jason, this place is a mess. What the hell? Did you put that there?
Don't worry.
Clean. Oh. Did that smell clean to you?
Yeah, it smells good.
Oh, it smells like your fart from last night.
Yeah, that's how it was.
Fart ass babe.
Yeah.
No, babe, don't. I don't think you should wear that. Honestly, that's ridiculous.
What do you mean?
I don't like what you wear.
Why wrong with blue?
I don't like it, man. It's gross.
Come on, babe.
Oh, you did the bed too. Good job. But you didn't
Come
put
on,
the
babe.
pillows
You know me
on.
have to help the thing, man.
Babe,
2020 are in here.
No, well, you know what? You're not coming out with me like that.
What do you
that's
mean?
For sure. I ain't
So why wrong with this?
Because I don't like it.
Why wrong with this, babe?
It's not my thing.
Huh?
It's not my thing. I don't like that kind of style.
Bobo.
Bobo, look at your dad. He looks like a fool.
Yeah, that was.
He looks like a fool.
Just pumpkin alone, I want. Gotta get some banana at one thing.
You're not going out like that.
What do you
You're
mean?
not. If you want me to dress you up, I'll dress you up.
No, me ain't know that.
You're not going like that, please.
Babes, me have to look tough.
Well, okay. What if I wore gangster stuff or whatever you want to swear?
Well, nothing wrong with a boat swag on. What wrong with that?
You look so disgusting. It doesn't even suit you.
That's your look there.
You look good. Doesn't even look
Style
good.
shot.
Okay. You look
I'm
great.
telling you, man. I
Alright.
touch the street, I chop.
Yeah,
You
whatever.
know the thing going on, woman.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man.
Babe, if you wear that, I swear, we're not together.
Yeah, bluff. What is what?
You gonna get dressed?
No, I'm sure I'll tell you.
Wear some other pants. I bought you new clothes. What the heck? Wear that.
Where what?
My new clothes I bought you.
So what? Even put on that the same thing me I go do. So it no matter what clothes me have on. That me I try to show you. And so me I be proud of man.
If you go out like that, babe, you're gonna get raped.
Rape what? What you talking about?
Like literally.
What you talking about?
You're gonna get raped. People are gonna think you're like, what are you trying to show?
Babes, go easy man. You might tell you say at the chopping life, I saw you think say, so you think go man. You see me, you have to look like gangster on the street man, you see me when you step. You see me, people have to know something there about you, you see me. Wicked man stepping up. You see me, them way there.
Are you joking with me, babe?
I'm not joke. What you talking about?
Well, you know what? You're cool. You can do things.
What you talking about, mama?
Island, you kept staring at your dad. He's a fool.
I wish you had that about.
Foolishness.
What you know about shopping life?
Foolishness.
Eh? Babes, come here now. I'm gonna turn up the music. What you do? Babes, forward now.
Huh?
What you do?
Babe? No. You don't
Yeah,
look
I
cool.
don't
You
wanna
look ridiculous.
Hey, me.
You look silly.
Boy. Babes, what wrong with me look? Eh?
You can
Me no, so what you want me to do? Wear my clothes up, so? Eh? You can't do that.
Not like
No,
that.
man, a whole man style that man, you see me?
No,
I
that's
know
not
is
style. That's not style. That is.
Mama, the new style is a so we do it. You see me, a so we do it a yard. What the ramp road there, mama? You see me? We have to upgrade for 2021 and forward, you know. What you? You see, chap? Come to you, man. Watch it. Mama, that road, you know. Not now when I'm touch street. Yeah, if you have a pose with it too, you know, when you're walking, you see me? What's it, man?
You know how your underwear right now have monkey prints on it? That's
Yeah, try it, man.
monkey. No, honestly, you do. You look like a silly foolish monkey.
You can't shoot
You're going to the show right now. You're going to the circus.
No,
right now.
man, you can't shoot
Yeah, you
up the
are,
thing, man.
Yeah, no, sir. You're not going out like that. That is just ridiculous. I did not sign up for this.
Yeah, man. You go on the road,
You're not signing up for this shit,
I
man.
go on the road,
What the hell, babe? You can see your bum cheeks.
yeah, that way.
Oh my god, what's he doing, guys?
Oh, more. That's a look more.
Island, what's your dad doing? Oh, babe, I really need to get my nails done. They're so whack right now. And my dress, I'm so angry about my dress.
Yeah, I'm more.
You see what happened to my dress?
Babes, let me some money, man. I go on the road and forward.
What money? I've got only US notes.
You not give me that, man. When I get the change, man.
How are you going to get the change?
When I get the thing change.
It's Sunday. You're not going to get anything.
Yeah,
that's
may I get the change, you know, yeah, you me and some man. Stop trying to shrivel down my badness, no man.
What is wrong with you?
What do you mean?
What the heck?
Yeah, I'm on the link up, bro, goddamn.
What, bro? God?
No, I'm on bro, goddamn,
You
man.
go pray? Babe, you stop acting silly and get dressed properly. You look like a fool. Anybody can tell me right now. Anybody.
Anybody can.
If the person walking past the house. Walking past the house.
You know, I will take 2 pieces of sure put on the ground, you know, see me?
Who are you going to put on the ground? What are you going to put? That?
I mean,
Please
man,
don't
you
tag me
look
in
in
it.
a man.
Don't tag me in it. You look so
See me?
gross.
You look ready for chop the
Don't tag
road,
me
you
in
know.
that shit, man. Like, seriously. I'm going to block you.
One for the self-praise, you know. No, man. Try that way. So, I don't know.
Seriously, if my dad sees you like this, he'll be like, he will not like you.
Ready for your road, man.
It's not our thing right now.
I ain't looking at me. Shit! Tell me I have some friend, what my car broke on, and if not hurt them, me have so mad, cause them really gonna
Your
feel
son's
them too
looking
like
at
me.
you.
So I'm seeing when me I grow you.
Daddy's not going the same way.
What do you mean?
No. He's not going to dress like that and look big.
You don't know what time
You
it
call
is.
that gangster? That's not gangster.
Then what is called? Huh?
If I say it, it's gay.
And I give yo, I'm gonna try to put game for my thing, man. What you do, man?
It's true though, you did.
Mm-hmm.
Babe, I need to get my nails done. Look,
Yeah. Get that sorted out tomorrow, isn't it?
do you know someone that does nails?
Yeah, man, I know tomorrow can get that done by tomorrow. See how it is, isn't it? Everything.
What happened to your American accent?
American accent that woman, a Jamaican na yard man, I deal with it. Think of some Yankee thing this. Wait, come on to you. Yo, man.
This guy's crazy. What the freak is he doing? It's like he bloody had drugs in the shower or something. What?
You know, I really thought your reaction would have been more crazy. Anyway, you got pranked.
You're an idiot.
You got
You're
pranked.
a fool. You know what? I had a feeling something was going on because you'd never dress and talk like that.
Really?
Yeah, that's really gay shit. That's gay.
But Jesus.
And like I said, if my dad ever sees you dressed like that, I think he'd murder you.
You got pranked.
Like he'd murder you.
What?
My dad, if he ever saw you dressed like that, he'd murder you.
So you really thought I was gonna go out on the road like that?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, and if you did, I would have locked the doors and never let you back in.
Really?
Yeah.
What
a fool. He's a fool.
Yeah, guys, so that's the first prank.
Anyways, I'm going back to my country music.
No country music around here. You see me have to play some cartel and some, you see me some massacre and them there, you see me?
No, stop. Don't act like that.
Where
He's so dumb. Why would you even prank me like that?
Yeah, guys, so Team Africa for the win, don't?
Nah. Yeah, wait up. Don't worry about this.
She throw a little prank for me. What do you guys where one night would even make much sense? Because I didn't know I say yo.
I did.
Yeah.
That's coming out soon, guys.
That's weird. But
I think you can prank me.
I thought her reaction would have been more serious, like, you know? She get really hungry or something, but yeah.
I just think it's foolish.
feels-
Anyone that dresses like that, sorry, if you're into that, that's your thing, but
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm not that kind of person
Doesn't
anyway.
turn me on any type of way.
Yeah. Alright guys, so remember to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah man, we are the Island family.
We are the Island family.
Yeah, thanks for watching guys.